Sure, here's a detailed, well-structured description of the 2025 Kia Niro in English, organized with headings and written in paragraph form, approximately 700 words long. Introduction. The 2025 Kia Niro stands out as a forward-thinking compact crossover SUV that continues to blend practicality, eco-conscious engineering, and sleek design. Built with sustainability and urban versatility in mind, the Niro offers a compelling package for modern drivers who want an environmentally responsible vehicle without sacrificing style, comfort, or technology. The new model year sees several improvements and refinements that elevate the overall driving experience while maintaining the Niro's core strengths in efficiency and value. Exterior design. The 2025 Kia Niro boasts a bold and contemporary exterior that reflects its eco-friendly identity. Its aerodynamic silhouette is both stylish and functional, contributing to reduced drag and improved efficiency. The signature, tiger nose, grille has been reimagined with a more modern flair, flanked by sleek LED headlamps that lend the front fascia a confident, futuristic appearance. Sculpted body lines run smoothly along the sides, while the contrasting rear pillars and distinctive LED tail lamps create a dynamic profile that sets the Niro apart from conventional crossovers. The vehicle's compact footprint makes it ideal for city driving, while its elevated ride height and muscular stance offer a commanding presence on the road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2025 Kia Niro delivers a thoughtfully designed cabin that combines modern aesthetics with sustainable materials. The interior is spacious and airy, offering ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Soft touch surfaces and available vegan leather upholstery provide a premium feel, while recycled materials in the headliner and door panels reinforce the vehicle's commitment to sustainability. The dashboard is dominated by a wide, high-resolution dual display setup that merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless interface, creating a clean, high-tech environment. Ambient lighting and a minimalist center console add to the contemporary vibe, making the Niro's cabin both functional and visually appealing. Performance and powertrain options. The 2025 Niro offers 3 electrified powertrain options to suit a variety of driving needs: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and fully electric. The hybrid version pairs a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor to deliver a combined output that balances performance with fuel efficiency. The plug-in hybrid adds a larger battery pack that allows for a significant electric-only range, ideal for short commutes and urban driving. For those looking for a zero-emissions solution, the Niro F features an all-electric powertrain with instant torque delivery, smooth acceleration, and a driving range competitive with other electric vehicles in its class. Each variant is engineered for efficiency and a smooth, composed ride, making the Niro a versatile option for a wide range of lifestyles. Technology and connectivity. Advanced technology is a hallmark of the 2025 Kia Niro, with an array of features designed to enhance convenience, entertainment, and safety. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Navigation, voice recognition, and cloud-based user profiles offer a personalized driving experience, while the available Harman Kardon premium audio system delivers rich, immersive sound. Over-the-air updates keep the software current without requiring a visit to the dealership, reflecting Kia's focus on innovation and user-centric design. The Niro also supports Kia Connect, allowing drivers to remotely monitor and control key functions such as charging, climate settings, and location services from their smartphone. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Niro, with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to offer peace of mind on every journey. Standard features include forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The available highway driving assist system combines adaptive cruise control and lane centering to provide semi-autonomous driving capability on highways. Additional features such as parking collision avoidance, a surround view camera system, and safe exit assist enhance the vehicle's protective capabilities, making it a smart choice for families and urban commuters alike. Conclusion. The 2025 Kia Niro successfully merges eco-conscious design, advanced technology, and everyday practicality into a stylish compact SUV. With its diverse powertrain options, user-friendly features, and commitment to sustainability, the Niro appeals to drivers looking for a responsible yet rewarding driving experience. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency, electric mobility, or cutting-edge convenience, the Niro continues to prove that being green doesn't mean giving up on comfort, performance, or style.